get the app. Well, I hate to put stuff on my phone, but it gives you more information. All right. You're 50.
If you're only going to drive on Sunday, I said, maybe. You know, instead if I do 300 miles. 300 dollars. JC Tell. All right. But I had to shop around. I had to, some guys wanted to shop around fast. Good night. To me, a car like that was what?
Watch your back. Watch your back. Watch yourself. Watch the cars coming through.
Sorry, everybody.
I don't want nobody to get hit.
I haven't seen him in so long. You can't do it.
Oh yeah. I'm never there. Yeah. And then there's issues. You gotta get a plate. You gotta get this. I know. I had it. I gotta overlook some of my. I gotta fight pressure my stuff. I just spent a lot of money.
Sorry.
Price 69.
Yeah, right. I'm right here too. That's what you usually do, right? Close it down now.
Well, yeah. We used to
Because they got
No,
no.
on Sunday, right now, when you first get in on the right hand side.
You can still get in there. I was trying. I saw the tent. It was
Oh,
locked
you
up.
could get it if you go away.
Oh, in the front, all the way next to the.
The minute you go in, you
That's why he doesn't play Mega or Power.
Rob, I actually played it.
And he have to went back to the paint shop parts.